right, so it seems like every big YouTuber today is filming them restoring Copart cars, crash cars, and that's kind of what I got into this summer. So I'm here to show that you don't need to be a huge YouTuber with million subscribers to, get into this and film it. So I'm gonna try and fix this one up and take you guys through the process of it. I did it earlier this summer with an Audi A3. It went really well. I made a lot of money. So I'm going to show that anyone can do this, and yeah, let's get to it. All right, here it is. We got a 2014 Nissan 370Z, one of my favorite cars. I've always wanted one of these, so searching around on, this wasn't a Copart car, but this is from a salvage yard. I'll show you, let's go through the damage here. This is the extent of the body damage. You can see we got some paint scuffs. The light here. That damage set off the crash sensor into the bumper here. It set off a couple of airbags. Show you them. Low mile car, 43,000 miles only. Here's what we're working with on the inside. We got the passenger curtain airbag deployed and the passenger seat airbag deployed. Sadly, it is an automatic. Beautiful interior. Alright, so I went ahead and I bought the seat. Here it is, full seat with the airbag in it. Not deployed, of course. Same matching seat, $300. So we're off to a good start. Seems like a huge part. You might think it costs a lot more than that for a seat with an airbag in it. This one does have some very ugly painted wheels. One of the downers of the vehicle, you can see the paint job is just awfully done. Obviously done with a rattle can. I'm still debating what to do with them. I'm thinking possible powder coating, maybe just dip them with a dip your car kit. Here we got, I'm not sure if this was a factory option. I want to say it wasn't, this wing here, but it's very nice looking. Paint matched. Aftermarket exhaust. It is pretty loud, but we're going to get into it. Today we are going to work on removing the front bumper and getting to that crash sensor. All right, let's get into it. So let's get into taking off this front bumper. Looks like we're going to start with some push clips or pop clips up here. Looks like there's 7 of them across the front bumper. All right, let's get that off there. All right, so I got those off the top there. Looks like there's one in here and probably other clips inside there. Right, I apologize for the poor lighting and camera angles, but I'm doing this by myself. So right up here we got, where is it? Right there. We got a 10 mil. That looks like the only thing holding this part on. So I'll get this off and then get back to you. All right, we got those 2 10 mils out of the wheel wells there, and I looked underneath and it looks like there are not any bolts underneath. There should be, but on this car it doesn't look like they come with any. That's kind of how it goes with these Copart cars. You kind of get what you get. I obviously got a killer deal on this, that's why I bought it. I'm not gonna beat myself up over a couple of 10 mils missing, but just look over these cars before you buy them. I'm not a mechanic, I never went to any school for it, but after flipping an Audi A3 earlier this summer, I realized that I can maybe help people figure out how to do it themselves. You don't need any schooling, you don't need to be expert videographer. Obviously I'm not, you can tell, but I'm just gonna try and help you guys throughout this process to, you know, show you how you can make money so easy. Anyone can do it. So alright, I'm gonna try and get this bumper off now. I'll probably just have to unplug the running lights on the bottom and then pull this thing off. Alright, as we can see here, I was told that it needed a new bumper rebar, which is the actual metal part that will protect the car behind just the plastic bumper. This one is totally gone, so I will have to buy a new one. That's what we're working with here. Alright, change of plans. Let's take this seat out. So right here, we got these just plastic caps over here, and a 14 mil. Alright, the rear looks the same, just those plastic caps, and then 14 again. We're gonna unwrap this new seat and see if we can find where the electrical plug is. Alright, let's unwrap this bad boy. Alright, looks like it's in pretty good shape. Just a little dirty, but what can you do? It's 3 in a box. Alright, looks like we won't need to rewire here. Just these 3 clips for the floor harness popped right out. I'll just pop off these connectors here, and then we'll take out the old seat, unplug these, pop these off on the car, and then yeah, we'll put the seat in. Right under the seat, we got this one connection here, and then it goes to these 3 connections right here. All right, old seat is out. We've got left with the connections here under the seat, the floor connections, and then we'll just line these up, plug it in, and good to go on the seat part of the job. All right, sorry for the funny angles here, but we gotta do what we gotta do. All right, right here, we're just gonna plug these guys in. 1, 2, 3 up top. Alright, make sure they all snap. Alright, so this pin connection, this doesn't go to anything. It wasn't connected on the last one, not on this one. I don't think it needs to be plugged in. Alright, so I'm just plugging in these little quick connectors now, so they don't get in the way of sliding seat. And then we're just gonna bolt it up, and that'll be it for the seat. Alright, all that leaves us to do is just bolt it up, so let's go back here. Alright guys, like I said, this is my first official YouTube video actually filming, so let me know what you like, what you don't like. If it's boring, repetitive, let me know. And just like that, we got a perfectly working seat, no airbag hanging out. Alright, that was I don't know if that was boring to watch, let me know. If it was interesting to watch, let me know. I'm brand new to this, guys, so. Alright, that was part 1 of the 370Z build, fix up, repair, flip. So, like I said, I've done this before with an Audi A3. I made a lot of money. It was easy. Took me, I think, 6 hours total, and that's picking up the car and everything. So, yeah, I'm going to do it with this car too. If you're interested to get into this yourself, seriously, I have no mechanical background. I just started, you know, pulling stuff off and messing around. I do it on my personal car, my FRS, and you know, it's easy stuff. YouTube helps so much, so thanks to all the guys that I watch out there showing me how to do some of this stuff. I appreciate a subscribe so much, guys. if you like this, there's gonna be a lot more to come. So many more parts to this build, and then we're on to the next car. So take notes, leave a comment, like the video. I appreciate it so much. As someone with, I think, 0 subscribers right now, one will go a long way for me. So thank you so much for watching.